Can KRA track your income? Here's how they catch you even without a payslip. A lot of Kenyans assume KRA haiwezi jua what I earn. But truth is, your income leaves digital footprints. If you are earning and not filing, you are already on their watch list. What makes KRA start watching you? You buy land or a car using your KRA PIN. You receive big Mpesa or bank inflows. A client files withholding tax under your name. You file nil returns but win tenders and live large. So let's talk withholding tax and let's break it down with an example. Imagine a client pays you 100,000 shillings for services. They are required by law to withhold 5% and that is 5,000. Once they file that on iTax, KRA sees your name, your KRA PIN, and what you earned, that is 100,000. So you might be quiet, but for KRA, you have already spoken. Same thing with withholding VAT. If someone lists you as a supplier and files VAT, and you don't declare anything on your end, that mismatch raises the red flag. Here is how KRA is tracking people in 2025. They can use iTax data integrations, mobile money and bank audits, PIN-linked land and car purchases, AI systems that flag suspicious income patterns. KRA looks at patterns. Why is this person receiving 500k monthly but filing nil return? Why did they import a car but have no income history? Why is 3 million showing under this person's PIN in the withholding tax but they haven't filed anything? So once they get suspicious, they dig deeper. They ask for your bank and Mpesa statements. They look at payments, clients, rents, loans. They cross-check your lifestyle with your tax record. What many people think is, sina payslip so niko safe, ama na run biz na jina ya mtu, ama mimi ni freelancer na hiyo hainanga trace. So the reality is, KRA follows data diligently. So currently, KRA is targeting small business owners, landlords who don't declare rent, freelancers and side hustlers, or diaspora Kenyans with foreign income. So what you should do? Start filing even if you earn small, declare business and rental income, separate personal and business money, then keep your receipts and payment records. So the truth is, yes, KRA can track your income, they don't need your payslip, and they are watching digital trace, and your PIN is everywhere. So stay smart, stay compliant, and then stay stress-free. Got questions about tax tracking? Subscribe for weekly tips that protect your pocket. Share this with a friend who thinks hawatajua